Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Claude AI with image inputs. Alright, so now you have the option to upload images and photos and screenshots to Claude AI and use those images as inputs to your Claude AI chat conversations. So how you can use Claude AI with image input? All you have to do is open up Claude AI and then make sure you're signing into your account. Then once you're signed in, you will be redirected to the home page where you can start chatting with Claude AI. And because this is a new feature, you can also see some examples here how you can use images as inputs for your chat conversations. So you can see you can transcribe handwritten notes to text using Claude AI. You can also convert UI design to front-end code, and you can also recommend style improvements. And you can also click on this Learn More Examples button and you will see some more examples. But let's see a quick example on how you can use images as inputs in your Claude AI conversations. So all you have to do is click on this upload icon here. This will open up the folder of your computer. So select the file you want to use as an image input, click on open. And as you can see, our image or photo has been uploaded, which is a woman holding a stack of cash. So let's say we want to come up with social media captions for this image. Then all we have to do is write me some engaging social media caption ideas for this image. So you don't have to describe what is on the image. Claude AI will be able to use this image as an input and describe that image without any external help. So click on send message here once you did your prompt. And as you can see, here are some fun positive caption ideas that could work well for social media while avoiding identifying the individual. Smiling big with those dollar bill props, cash can buy happiness, but having fun sure helps. So as you can see, we get some nice social media captions we can use for our Instagram, TikTok or Facebook page. And of course you can use this image to write Facebook ad copy. If you upload a product, you can create product descriptions with Claude AI and so on and so forth. So all in all, this is how you can use image inputs in your Claude AI conversations. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.